What's going on, y'all boys? Today is day 60 of me programming Python. Well, it's technically day 62. I ain't really had time to record the other day, but you already know what I'm saying. Though. We 60 days in, no 100-day challenge, though 1,000 days in. You already know what the fuck I'm talking about. But yeah, I don't, man. So I ain't gonna lie. Since the last time y'all see me, I done made a bunch of projects, bro. I made a ARP scanner. I made a vulnerability scanner. I made a port scanner. I made a network scanner too, but bro, y'all finna see though, this shit's so lit. And I'm working on a project that scans random IPs for open ports like port 22, port 23, port 80. And those are really the main ones because I want to SSH and then I want to try and brute force that shit. But I'm gonna go in the shot. What's up though, man? It's been a lot of fun. I'm not finna cap, but I ain't finna hold y'all up too much. So let's go ahead and get into this bit. All right, y'all boys. I know I remember this little main menu I got here. So from now on, I started putting projects in my USB drive. So now all of my projects are in here. So I got the ARP scanner, a botnet project, port scanner. So we're finna go show you guys the port scanner, but this shit hard to sell. So look, I have like 8 different versions, bro. This one is 10 kilobytes, the first version, and the most recent one is 69. So I've been working hard. I ain't gonna lie to y'all boys. Actually, I'm gonna show you the first version. This is the first version. Right, I just enter a domain name and it just does this, and then it takes a little minute to scan. This one only scans like 12 ports too, just common ports, and it takes this long. See what I'm saying? And then there's a GeoIP lookup, and that's it. That's all that bit got to offer. But look, I'm gonna show out the most recent one now. That bit's so fucking hard, but look, hey, look though, this bit got a whole main menu though. And I got a notification saying I'm online, connection status on fucking line, nigga. And then look, so up here it says connection status, and it says whether it's online or offline. And then we got our local IP right here. And then we got a welcome message up here. So if I'm going to try a little comment scan, I'm going to do google.com. Boom, domain resolution. We got a GeoIP, and we got a subdomain lookup. And we also implemented Shodan. We got Shodan in this bit. It's called Shodan, but I put Shodan. Don't even worry about that. I just been tweaking lately. I got Shodan in this bit and I got CVE, so I'm able to scan. I'm able to look up vulnerabilities on this bit. So technically making it a vulnerability scanner. I told y'all this gonna be some shit, bro. Y'all wasn't able to see it right now just because of the fact that sometimes I'm gonna show y'all why y'all can't see now. So as y'all can see right here, I have 0 scan credits available, so I can't do no more query scans. But you already get what I'm saying though. This is the main menu though. See what it look like? I could change my display name, so I could say fucking Bari support. You feel me? I could view the host info. Let's go ahead and exit this bit though, and then we can also view the scan results right here. Miami. Here's all the subdomain lookups. Here's the ports that were open. Let me go ahead and see if I can show you guys one where I had to show them results. Okay, here's one where I had showed them results right here. Look, see the vulnerability, and then I have NVD CVE in this one too. So it's gonna go ahead and print those out right below it and show the results for it. Let me go ahead and show you guys the next project. This is a little showcase though. Hey, I'm finna make a full video about this one, so I ain't finna really go too much into it, but I'm gonna go to the next one though. Now here's my most recent UDP floater, and I'm not finna lie. The ones I'm done making CLI tools, bro. I use straight Rich now, and if you don't know what Rich is, it's a library that allows me to make the command line interface just look way nicer. Like this bit looks sexy as fuck, bro. But look, I'm gonna go ahead and go over here, type in the IP, type in the port, and boom, the attack starts. Now, what makes this one so different is that, first of all, it just looks better, and I can also pause it. You see, do I want to pause it? Yes. Or do I want to end the attack? Yes. Shows the amount of packets sent, time elapsed, and average packets. But this one is nowhere near. I haven't worked on this one since December. I'm gonna implement the ability to spoof your source port and your source IP address. So when you go to Wireshark and look at the source port and source IP address, it's gonna be spoofed. It's not even gonna show mine. It's gonna show some random bullshit, and it's gonna keep spoofing it every couple seconds too. And it's gonna send a bunch of different types of protocols like UDP, HTTP, and TCP send. I'm gonna fuck some shit up, bro. But let's go ahead and exit this though. I ain't really worried about this one. This ain't really some shit I'm trying to show you guys though. Let's go ahead and open up my Discord. Hold on. So boom, I got my Discord over here. Don't even worry about the name. I gotta fix that. Long story, but boom. So this the Discord right here, right? This is from yesterday. We're finna go ahead and delete this out of here just to help you guys, just to show you guys it's real. So we're finna go ahead and load up this script, right? Look at that, and it instantly sent it to our thing over here. Let me just go ahead and do it while you guys can see, just so you guys could believe me. I don't want nobody thinking it's false. So look, I double tap this. Boom, the info is sent to my Discord server, man. So we got the target info, we got the host name, the local IP, we got the public IP. Like, y'all stop playing, bruh. Like, we got the OS release, we got the OS version, we got the processor. So let me find out you got some 2 GB DDR3 RAM. I'm gonna slap that shit, boy. But nah though. See though, but in this one though, so basically this script is gonna be something that I'm trying to implement into other programs. So basically you will load, the target will load this up and it'll send all the info back to me. That's what I really want, and I can't wait to finish this shit though. I'm trying to make some malware too, like a keylogger. That's one of the really ones I want to make for real. I've been busy. I'm working on like 3 projects at once, and that shit is very hard. But I have the IPs masked out because I'm testing it on myself. Look, I'm gonna show you guys the script behind this one. As you can see right here, I masked the IPs out, so that way you can't see mine. But when I launched on the, like, let's say I was to launch this on an actual person, I'm gonna take all this shit out. Like, I'm just not even gonna have this in here. Like, where's it at? Right here. I'm just fucking boom, boom. I run the script, Discord server, IP right there. Well, y'all not finna see it regardless, but you know what I'm saying though. That's how it works. Let's go ahead and get on to the next one though. So this is like my last but not least one. This one is gonna be some shit. First of all, here's the code behind it. Boom. 150 lines long, nothing too crazy. Feel me? I'm not even done with this one yet. I'm nowhere near done with this one yet, cause you know, I'm still kind of new to programming, so everything I program, like, if I don't know how to do it myself off the top of my head, I don't like that. So I would just make something, I would sit here and delete it and just redo it just to make sure I remember how to do it. Like, I did that shit like 2-3 times last night. But I'm gonna show you guys the program now. Let me stop just yapping though. Y'all boys probably like, shut the fuck up. But look though, so boom, I come over here, right? I enter my network range. So most of the time, 9 times out of 10, if you like a regular user, like, and by that I mean like you're not a business, it's gonna be 192.168.1.0/24. Enter, and here we go. I don't know why I was acting up just now, but look though. See how we got my Google Nest Mini, which is literally right in front of me. I got my PC right here, which is NSM KL125. I actually don't know what that is. I gotta check that out. And then I got my iPhone, my TV, another TV, you know what I'm saying? And it saves the results to a file, right? So what this program is gonna do, right? It's gonna send an ARP packet to every IP address that's possible in your network, 256, right? And then it's gonna show you them, and you're gonna have the ability to make a whitelist. And in that whitelist, you are allowed to put the IPs that you want to be allowed in your network. After that, it's gonna do an interval scan, and like every 10-15 minutes, and if it sees an IP that's not within that whitelist, it's gonna flag it and just do a DDoS attack on that bit. So it's just gonna flood that bit. So that's what I'm trying to do. I really can't wait to hurry up and get that bit active though. So I really just been busy trying to perfect my port scanner, but this one is up next though, best believe. So if I'm going to exit, but before we exit, it says 15, and it's not 15. It's like what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's 10, and it says 15. I still got to work out the quirks and fix that shit. But as you can see, this is a little demonstration. But when y'all come back on day 100 though, I'm not gonna do a day 90 video. I'm gonna do a day 100 because it just sounds better. Like day 100, 100 days of code, 100 days of programming. I already know the fuck. You know what I'm saying? Like. So on day 100, this gonna be some shit though, boy. Hey, y'all boys, stick around for that. This gonna be some shit, I promise y'all. So we're finna gonna come back to this though. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh yeah, see, it was 15 devices, but for some reason the table only showed 10 of them. So as I'm saying though, I still gotta work out that shit and see what's up. But hey though, that's what's up though, man. That's what I've been working on so far, guys. And in my Discord group, look, we have a little botnet modules area. and we're trying to work on making a botnet right now. So basically, we'll take a system and we'll turn it into a zombie, and then we'll add it to our botnet, and we'll be able to use that system to send packets or really just traffic in general to wherever we want. You know what I'm saying? So let's say we had like 6 zombies. We could. That's essentially a botnet that we just created. And with all 6 of them botnets, we're able to control traffic off that device and send it to wherever we want to. You know what I'm saying? So you could basically make a distributed denial of service. Basically, the system I had, except it's distributed across multiple different systems. That shit is highly, highly, highly deadly. So as you can see here, let's see what he got. See, he already got the thing for. He got the little system set up. Them boys been cooking in the chat, man. I ain't gonna lie. They been cooking. I haven't got the chance to really contribute because I've been working on my port scanner so much. Speaking of my port scanner, let me go and show you guys the thing for it. So look, on that note by my port scanner, this shit, I'm still scrolling. This bit is 1,500 lines long, bro. I really don't know when it got there. It didn't used to be like that, but bro, I've been so addicted lately. Like I was at the gym the other day, and I brought a book. I brought this book to the gym, and I was just in between sets while I was bench pressing, writing code on my in my notebook. I know people was looking at me like, "Why is this nigga at the gym with a book?" And I don't give a fuck, bro. Like I'm just too addicted to this shit, bro. Like ain't nothing stopping me, no stopping me. I already know what the fuck going on, man. But cause look, I got version controls right here. So basically I have it so that well actually it's right here. So basically I have it so that each version I need a specific feature in it. So I have threading, full notification, subdomain, you know what I'm saying, etc. etc. But what I plan on doing is making a website though. And on that website I have my all my well polished programs I made, which is gonna be this one, my ARP scanner once I finish it, and NetSpeed 2.0. I'm gonna have all 3 of those on my program and more after I'm up there and continuing to make some more. And I'm gonna have a YouTube video for each one explaining how it works. And I'm gonna have my website hosting programs and a YouTube video and a little about me section. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully that serves as a proxy to my resume and makes me look good. So that's really my plan, y'all boys. I'm not gonna lie. One more thing before I go. This is my friend's tool. This is what really inspired me to make my own vulnerability scanner. So look, let's go look at it. This is my friend's tool from the Discord. His name is PHP. Well, that's what we call him. But as you can see, we got a CVE query, checks for headers, port scan, subdomain scan, DNS, and location. This is where I got the idea to do it from. I didn't copy his source code, but this did motivate me to do mine. You know what I'm saying? So that's what we got though. That's basically what I got for this video, man. Hey, let me know what y'all boys think though, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I like the progress so far. What we on day 60, 62 days in, you feel me? So I really feel like I'm doing good if I do say so myself. Y'all boys let me know what y'all think though. I'm finna have my GitHub set up soon and my website set up. I know I've been slacking on that GitHub, but I'm gonna get that bit up though. Y'all boys let me know what y'all think though. Comment down below. I'm gonna see y'all boys later, man. 30 days of coding, 6 days of coding, 100 days of coding, 1,000 days of coding, 365 shit. I already know what the fuck going on, man. I'm gonna see y'all boys later though. Peace.